Today on OsoGrandeKnives TV, we're looking at the Spyderco Foundry Framelock folding knife. This is the model number C160P. And it's new for 2015. This particular knife was developed to honor Carpenter, who makes a number of cutlery steels for the industry. That's why it's called the Foundry. It's a very nice everyday carry folder. It's got 4 65 stainless steel handles on here. The blade is fully flat ground, and it is made of Carpenter CTS-XHP blade steel. Everything on here, as far as the steels are concerned, are made by Carpenter. This one is made in Golden, Colorado at Spyderco's USA plant. It's got our favorite Spyderco wire clip on there. It's not a reversible clip. It's for tip-up right-hand side carry only. Here you have some graphics on the handle, which make it unique. This one was designed by Eric Glaser of Spyderco, and overall it measures in at 7.58 inches. It's got a 3.33 inch blade with a 3-inch cutting edge. It's got a nice belly there. The blade thickness is 0.125 of an inch, and it's the Carpenter CTS-XHP stainless steel. It's a clip point style blade, fully flat ground. Feels really good in the hand, forward or reverse grip. You get a good forefinger grip either way. It's got Spyderco's jimping here on the thumb ramp. Lockup is via a frame lock. Here's a close-up view of it. Now if we want to open it very quiet, we can. The weight, 5.21 ounces. It's got the Spyderco thumb hole to open it up. So if you're looking for a stainless steel knife that is a special, unique version, the Spyderco Foundry is an excellent choice. These can be purchased at OsoGrandeKnives.com for less. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more knife reviews. This is OsoGrandeKnives TV, where you can watch, decide, and equip. When the situation demands a knife, OsoGrandeKnives.com is your quality connection. We've got unbeatable low prices on thousands of knives and super fast shipping, all with world-class customer service. Thanks for your support.